To fix Walmart location restrictions in 2024, start by understanding that these restrictions are typically in place due to the store's geolocation services, which may not always accurately determine your location. This can prevent you from accessing certain features or services on Walmart's website or app. First, ensure your device's location services are enabled. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Location, and toggle the switch to the on position. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Location Services, and ensure the switch is on. Next, check your device's GPS settings. Ensure that your device has a clear view of the sky to get an accurate GPS signal. If you are indoors, try moving near a window or outside to improve the signal. If the issue persists, try resetting your device's location settings. On Android, go to Settings, then Location, then tap on the 3 vertical dots, and select Reset Location Permissions. On iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Reset Location and Privacy. Another solution is to clear the cache and data of the Walmart app. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Walmart, then Storage, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iOS, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, then Walmart, and select Delete App. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try using a VPN to mask your IP address and location. However, be aware that Walmart's terms of service may prohibit the use of VPNs to bypass location restrictions. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Walmart's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to fix Walmart location restrictions.